What is up YouTube? Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today I'm here at Starbucks and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and detailed review of the Yeezy 380 Aliens. So let's go! Guys, again, I'm here at Starbucks and I'm gonna be unboxing this special sneakers, which is actually one of the most highly anticipated sneakers of this year, apart from Travis Scott's maybe. But yeah, definitely this is one of the most anticipated sneakers, especially for Yeezys, because we've had almost the same Yeezys every single time, and especially this year that they've released so many colorways of the same shade. So that's why I think it's really time to have a new silhouette or a new design for the Yeezys. So here you go, this is the Yeezy 380 Alien. So it comes with your typical Yeezy Boost box, brown box, and as you can see here, you have Yeezy Boost 380 made by Adidas, and you have your details over here. Here you have the Boost. Here you have the Yeezy Boost 380 made by Adidas, and here it's blank. Oh, here it has the performance logo of Adidas, and over here you have the 380 logo. The official colorway of these sneakers is Alien, as you can see. So I'm not sure if the color of these sneakers looks like the color of the aliens, but anyway, Yeezy has their own way of naming the colors of the sneakers, but for me it looks nice. But anyway, if you're new here to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do us a favor by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever we drop a solid video. We do release videos every single day, and there's a lot of awesome contents on this channel. So now let's open this bad boys. So inside, guys, you can see your normal typical Yeezy tissue paper. And wow, here it is. So guys, here are the Yeezy 380 Aliens. This sneakers is supposed to be released worldwide on November 16, which is tomorrow. However, in our area here in the Philippines, I don't think they have announced anything about the release of this Yeezy 380 Aliens. I've checked all the usual shops or usual stores that normally release Yeezy, and I even spoke to them and they told me that they will definitely have these. But as of this moment, while I'm shooting this video, today is Friday, they still haven't announced anything yet. Hopefully they will announce something later on, but normally they do announce earlier. However, it is confirmed though that in North America, this will be releasing, and also through Yeezy Supply. Now let's have a closer look at these sneakers and see what's really special about these. So guys, what is really special about these sneakers? Well, first of all, this is a new silhouette from Yeezy. We've been given a lot of the 350 V2s already, and a lot of people are getting tired of it. They've been releasing the sneakers for the last 2 to 3 years, and the colorways that they have been releasing are almost the same. That's why, in my opinion, it's really a good time to release a new silhouette for the Yeezy line. Another thing that is special about these sneakers is that this is the OG colorway, meaning the resale for these sneakers will really jump so high, just like the other OG colorways. So now let's have a look closer in these sneakers and check out the details that they have. So let's start with the upper. The upper is made out of prime knit material, and the construction of the upper is similar to your Yeezy 350 V2s. So as you can see, it is actually connected in the middle. So there's a hidden stitching in the middle and at the back that connects both prime knit into one, which is the exact opposite of the Yeezy 350 V2. The Yeezy 350 V2, as you know, has an exaggerated stitching in the middle until at the back. Now, the prime knit that they use for this sneakers is, it looks really thicker compared to your Yeezy 350 V2. However, if you touch it, actually it's almost the same. It's almost the same material. However, this prime knit is more stretchy compared to the Yeezy 350 V2. On the lateral and the medial side, you will see this plastic mesh over here with a lot of perforations. So this perforation serves as your air vents to give these sneakers more breathability. So I can really imagine how comfortable these sneakers will be because of all these air vents that they have. Because if you remember the 350 V2s, it doesn't have this much of perforations, or it doesn't have any perforations. It just have the mesh material. And for this one, since it has bigger holes, then that gives a lot of ventilation for these sneakers. Now moving up to the ankle collar. So this is not your typical Yeezy 350 V2 ankle collar. So this one is actually sort of a garter type material. So you can easily place your feet inside just by stretching it. So I'm just kind of worried though that if you always use these sneakers, then the garter will become bacon. I don't know, because normally garters are like that. Once you overuse it, then it becomes soggy. So I hope it doesn't become like that for these sneakers. Now the laces is just your typical Yeezy laces, so it's almost the same as your Yeezy 350 V2 laces. So these are just simple rope laces in sail color. Now let's move down to the midsole, which is actually where I'm really excited. You know why, guys? Because it has a thicker boost. It feels like, or it looks like it has thicker boost compared to the 350 V2s. As you can see, it's really thicker, right? Do you notice it? It's a bit more thicker compared to your Yeezy 350 V2s. And that means one thing, it's more comfortable, because we experienced that with the Ultra Boost, the original Ultra Boost versus the Ultra Boost 19s. They added like half an inch of Ultra Boost for the Ultra Boost 19, and it came out really good. And personally, in my opinion, the Ultra Boost 19 is way more comfortable than the OG Ultra Boost. So this Ultra Boost material, this full length because it's from end to end, it's a full length Ultra Boost, is encased in a translucent or semi-translucent rubber, which is actually sort of like a mint color. It's more of like a greenish color, and I'm not sure if this was intended, but as you can see, there's sort of like a teeth or something going on, like on the side of the boost. So I'm not really sure if this was really intended, or it's the effect of the glue or whatever they put inside when they were encasing the Ultra Boost. And as you can see over here, there is an outrigger similar to your Yeezy 350 V2s, which has a very big outrigger on the side of the forefoot. So this is the outsole. As you can see, there's a lot of lines over here that gives you like sort of like herringbone pattern, but it's not actually herringbone. It's just a lot of lines that gives you that effect, and that means the traction for these sneakers will be really good, because I can really feel the traction if I do this, which actually is non-existent on the Yeezy 350 V2s. The Yeezy 350 V2s just have lines, which are big lines, and it's actually pretty slippery. So I guess Yeezy thought of that, that the Yeezy 350 V2 is kind of slippery, so they improved the outsole with this one. And as you can see, there's a lot more areas in the outsole that exposes the boost, unlike the 350 V2, which only exposes a triangular shape on the heel. Here they got rid of the triangular shape, so this is like I'm not sure what shape is this, but it looks like a flower or whatever. And you can see the boost is almost concave, so it's like, it's not like before that it is just flat. This one you can feel that it's almost concave, so it's all going inwards. And this time they included a boost text in the outsole. And one thing that I really noticed, which I'm not sure if a lot of you noticed, is that over here you will see the Adidas performance logo. Yes, it's not your typical Yeezy which has the Adidas Originals logo. So this one has the performance logo. So that's why I'm thinking there's a reason why they put this kind of traction for the sneakers, because I think that this sneakers is more for performance, because the way it's constructed, even the heel, as you can see, it's not flat, it's moving towards up. I'm not sure if you've seen the vapor flies that they use for running, and I think the runners broke some records using that vapor fly. They have a similar construction of the outsole, where the heel is not actually flat on the floor. There's another performance logo of Adidas that is included on these sneakers, and that is on the insole. Basically, the insole is actually a bit thicker than your normal Yeezy Boost insole, although it's not ortholite. It's a bit thicker, and you will notice that this one, it's actually curved up, so it gives you like a heel cup vibe over here. So not like your typical Yeezy 350 or Yeezy insoles. And you will see here, instead of the usual Adidas Originals logo, we have here again the Adidas Performance logo, and same as the back. So no more Adidas Originals logo, it was replaced with this Adidas Performance logo. Now they also put some paddings inside, so I'm not sure if you could see, there's a padding over here on the heel that gives you more protection. These are actually more thicker than the padding that they have on the 350 V2s. Yes, the 350 V2s also has paddings inside, but this one is like more thicker. It's like pillows for your heel. So definitely I think that these sneakers are actually a performance sneakers. Anyway, I will do a separate video for my performance and on-feet review for these sneakers, so that I could share with you how it feels to wear this Yeezy 380 Alien. So guys, these are the Yeezy 380 Aliens, and the retail price for this sneakers is $230 US. Yes, and it is $10 more expensive than your Yeezy 350 V2s. However, they did a lot of things and improvements on these sneakers that I may say it's okay to increase $10. However, the resale value as of this moment, or when I bought this, was about, it ranged from $600 to $800 US already, guys. So I'm not sure if that price will drop as soon as these are released, or it will maintain, or it will continue to grow. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.